Incremental greetings. So I have done multiple videos about concepts. Incrementally, I have been simplifying this approach with concepts. So today what I'm going to share is not the minimum concept principle. It's even less than that. It's to repurpose the concepts. So usually concepts, what you can do with them is that you can auto-apply different templates. Yeah. You can apply a default priority in case you use the default concept. In case you set the concept by importing, you will bypass this priority. And you also create what is called the concept group. So everything you import will go there. And then also you can add, you can link those concepts to any other element. Doesn't have to be set. And you will be incrementally building a rich collection, and you could go neural and have a meaningful experience. If you don't want to do that, because for you it's a deal breaker, like it is for me now, it's high maintenance, deal breaker. I repurpose the concepts because for me there's no difference. All of the concepts are auto-applying the same templates, the item and article templates. I make the difference for that. What it is for, let's call, a hook of subset. So the concept is just a way that, you know what, I want to do eventually, or time to time, or often, I want to do a subset of that. So for my convenience, I will just click process branch and click on learn. Or process branch, or open this in the browser if I want to do some filtering. F8. I just want new elements that have no repetitions in this priority range or this interval, that recent stuff, whatever that may be. Other than that, I don't need concepts. One strategy I do, Ctrl-Shift-P, and now I can choose the group. Since now I have less than 10, I can actually have I pre-append a number. So I don't even need auto hotkey for this. I just press the number I want. Oh yeah, this is science, that will be number 6, it's already set. Let's say it's business, it's number 1. Boom. So that's a perk you can get. I could have up to 10 concepts with the same strategy. So feel free to watch the other videos. I have done minimum concept principle and so on. That will be useful depending on your use case. That's the most simple use case you can get with concepts. The other one will be neglecting concepts. The only concept is the root element, and that's it, which I won't do. But it's also valid because at the end of the day, the knowledge concept in incremental reading is optional. Let me know how you use concepts, if I'm missing a use case here, and see you incrementally.